All right, Arvind Kejriwal's case before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Big news coming in. His judicial custody has now been extended until the 23rd of April. Kejriwal's lawyer has told court that he has lost weight and some application has been filed in that regard as well, saying that he is not in his best of health. This is the latest update that we have on Arvind Kejriwal's judicial custody. Unfortunately for him, there's no relief. Even his judicial custody at the moment has been extended until April 23rd. Arvind Kejriwal's case that's currently before the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. His judicial custody, which ideally ended today, has now been extended until the 23rd of April. His lawyers have also submitted in court that Arvind Kejriwal has lost some weight, suggesting he's not in the best of his health, and an application with this regard has also been filed. Let me cut across to Shrishti Oja tracking those developments. Shrishti, Arvind Kejriwal, really a disappointment here yet again with the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi not granting him relief. His judicial custody now stands extended until the 23rd of April. Today was the last day of his judicial custody, and we believe while in court his lawyers have submitted that he's not in the best of his health. His weight, he's lost some weight, but as per what India Today reports suggest, just last week, Tihar jail officials released a document where Arvind Kejriwal's weight remained the same from the day he was admitted in jail to today. Give us more.
Well, yes, Nabila, as we know, Arvind Kejriwal has been behind bars. He was sent to judicial custody till the 15th of April. As his judicial custody period ended today, he was to be produced before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Instead of physical production, he was produced before the special CBI judge virtually through video conferencing today. In the hearing that took place, CBI sought an extension of judicial custody of Arvind Kejriwal. The court, however, has extended his custody only till 23rd April, noting that the custody of another co-accused in this case, the court was referring to BRS leader K. Kavita, another co-accused in the case is also extended till 23rd April. So considering that, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's judicial custody has also been extended till that date. During the hearing, when a response was sought from Mr. Kejriwal's lawyer, his lawyer said that while he cannot oppose the judicial custody request that has been made by the CBI, by the Enforcement Directorate, my apologies, they have filed some application and an oral submission was made by his lawyer that Mr. Kejriwal has lost some weight, and with that regard, I think they have filed an application. However, since the application was not on record before the court could not hear the application. So exactly what is being sought by Mr. Kejriwal through that application is something that we'll know once the court takes up the matter, which is likely to happen sometime today itself. But yes, definitely a claim that has been made by his lawyers that he has lost weight while in judicial custody, and they also made a submission on the lines of how, due to the weight loss, his clothes are not fitting him properly. So what is it exactly that his lawyers are seeking through this application is something that we'll know shortly once the court decides to take up that application, and also to see whether or not the court grants any relief in that regard. Back to you.
All right, thanks very much, Shrishti, for joining us, where we see Arvind Kejriwal, yet another setback as the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has extended his judicial custody until the 23rd of April, while at the same time, Kejriwal's lawyers saying that he's not fit. In jail, he's lost some weight, and an application with this regard has also been filed. That will be heard soon.